Okay, let's jump right in. We've got an Arctic cold front coming in tomorrow, and at the same time, we still have this area of low pressure. It's now off the coast of Southern California. This time yesterday, it was off the coast of Northern California, so it is on its trek to bringing moisture, increased moisture, to Texas. That moisture is going to come here long before the low gets here. It's already bringing moisture and clouds out ahead of it due to the counterclockwise flow, as you can see. So that moisture comes in at the same time as temperatures drop. So let me take you through the night tonight. First of all, this evening, quiet, gradually increasing clouds. Still, we're partly cloudy at 8, and then the clouds keep thickening up overnight. And as you wake up tomorrow morning, it'll be a cloudy start to the day. A few sprinkles, maybe a little bit of drizzle tomorrow morning. The drizzle will gradually start to turn to some spotty light showers toward the middle of the day. And then into the afternoon, shower coverage starts to go up, but some of you won't see meaningful rain until Friday evening. But it is just rain. I am not worried about wintry precipitation tomorrow at all. Not even worried about the cold tomorrow at all. That's a Saturday, Sunday, and beyond sort of thing. All right, so the rain continues to come down. In fact, some potential for some thunderstorms with locally heavy rain Friday evening and Friday night. Yes, thunderstorms adding to the mix here. Then we get into Saturday, and the colder air starts to filter in to the point that these pinkish colors start to show up. That's the wintry mix of sleet and freezing rain, primarily freezing rain. But many of us, the metro included, and our eastern counties just dealing with rain, some of the northern metro may try to squeeze in some freezing rain at that point. Then it's looking more and more likely there'll be a lull in the precipitation, meaning it's drier, not completely dry, but drier, late morning, early afternoon on Saturday. And then for some of you, you'll be like, okay, what happened to the ice? Just wait, because unfortunately, a second round of precipitation, this time much colder, arrives later in the afternoon in the hill country, hence the pink color, and then spreads through the rest of the area as we go through late Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. And Saturday evening, I expect conditions will go downhill quickly as temperatures will be cold, and we've got fairly widespread freezing rain and sleet. Still, some of that continues into early Sunday morning as the precipitation is wrapping up. It may briefly end as some sleet or even some snowflakes. Don't get excited about the snow, though. I think it would be super brief, and you probably wouldn't be up to see it. And then by about 7 to 9 a.m. Sunday, we're drying out, and even peaks of sun start to show up here by noon. So how much ice do we expect by the time this wraps up here Sunday morning? Concerns in the hill country for some at least localized power outages with up to 1/4 of an inch of ice. Those ice accumulation amounts go down for the majority of the metro, between 0.05 and 0.15 of an inch into some of our eastern counties, and then closer to Fayette County, we think the amounts are less. We're also going to get some very beneficial rain out of this, even though we probably won't be thinking about that at the time. By the time the rain and wintry mix wraps up Sunday morning, 0.75 of an inch to 2 inches of liquid will have fallen. Of course, temperature is the other story. Very warm outside now, 60s and 70s. But then here comes the cold. Friday night into Saturday, we think that temperatures will be at or below freezing in the Austin metro by mid to late Saturday afternoon or early evening at the latest. So tonight, a 10% chance of rain. Tomorrow, that's up to 60%, mostly late in the day. We're up to 68, and then 42 the high Saturday happens early. Then the numbers keep dropping. A widespread wintry mix on Saturday, just a 20% chance that some of that lingers into Sunday morning. Then the sun is out on Monday, but dangerous cold is the story Sunday morning, Monday morning, Tuesday morning, low 20s and teens, single-digit wind chills, but afternoon temperatures start to climb, as do the nights by the middle and end of next week.